Buenos días, 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 mi gente. Good day, darling. Feliz sábado. Happy Saturday to you. Back otra vez. Yesterday, Alma's visit was just heartbreaking. Not because of any diagnosis, because of the vet bill. Damn it, man. Yes, I do have pet insurance, so I'm not worried about it. But this is the first visit since I got pet insurance. So I had to get a deductible of $500. There goes the deductible. $500. Hallelujah. It's done. Now we have to do her spaying, which is going to cost me almost $3,000. But with the insurance, it covers it, which is cool. We get money back. But if I'm doing the math right, they're going to end up getting their money back anyway. I do the monthly until it renews again. They're going to get their money back. That's probably why they're like, it's okay. Because it's $100 every month. That's her insurance that I paid for her. And that's because I do the spaying. So I'm really not getting a deal, but whatever. I'm getting something, right? Whatever. I still got to do all this stuff anyway. If I had insurance, I didn't have insurance, I'm coming out of pocket. This thing is expensive. I still have a dentist appointment. Still working on these little pearly whites. We're finally going to try to get information on this one, to see if I get it replaced, because right now it's only cement that's holding it, but it's feeling a little wonky and I'm not waiting anymore for it to fall out. I'm just going to go leave it in God's hands, pray that these dentists can make me look really good. If not, whatever. I pray that they could get it done right though.
Yeah, you want to put that dish in your mouth.
There's octopus in there. I don't know what the cream is, but I've been looking forward to have this in Japan. So I'm gonna have a little test run here to see the difference of here and there. This is the octopus. It's just really hot. The way my teeth are set up.
Turn my head with the side.